So we're working on a 2010 Dodge Ram with a miss on cylinder number 4, and I'm about to check injector waveforms. So I've got the lab scope set up here on cylinder number 2, back pinning number 2 injector, and it works just fine. We'll move it to number 4 injector. Okay, so we're back pinning number 4 injector. And no waveform. What's happened here is some rodents got in here and ate the wiring going to the ignition coils and injectors and shorted some wires out. There's some temporary repairs made to the wires, but the injector drive circuit, I believe, is damaged in the computer. So we're going to check continuity of the wire back to the computer. Okay, so we have the ohm meter hooked up between the control side of injector number 4 and pin 11 at connector 2, because pin 11 at connector 2 is the control side of injector number 4. And I have continuity on the wire, 0.15 ohms. If I move it to the other terminal, I should read the injector resistance. And it's 11.56 ohms resistance. So the wiring is good up to the computer, and I'm pretty sure that the computer hasn't shut down the drive circuit, because it doesn't ever try to run it. And if I command it on with the scan tool using the actuator test for the injectors, I don't get any response out of it. So I think the rodents shorted out the wires, and that has taken out the drive transistor in the PCM. So it's going to need a new PCM.